Hi kids, good morning. Welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to do the book activity, okay? I hope you have your books in your hand. Take your books. Okay. I can do. Tick the correct picture for the sentences. The shirt is small. The shirt is small. This shirt is not small, right? This is a small shirt. This is a small shirt. So tick on this. It is a big shirt and it is a small. What is the opposite for small? Big. So this is small shirt. Tick on this. Okay. The coat is bigger. The coat is bigger. This coat is very small, so it doesn't match with the sentence. This coat is big. So tick on this box. The coat is big. The tree is tall. The tree is tall. This is a short tree and this is a tall tree. The tree is tall. So tick on this. The tree is tall. The cow is thin. The cow is thin. This is a thin cow. See both the pictures. This cow looks thick and this cow looks thin, right? This is a thin cow. This cow looks very fat and this looks very thin. So tick on this. The rat is fat. The rat is fat. This rat is very lean. This rat is very fat. So tick on this. The shirt is small. This is a small shirt. The coat is big. The coat is big. The tree is tall. The cow is thin. The rat is fat. Okay. Now we will see the blending words, okay? You have learnt all the blending words. Choose and write the correct blend. What this man is doing, he is clapping the hands. Clap. So it starts with the sound clap. So CL. What is the spelling for clap? CL. So write CL. CL. Okay, clap. 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 What is this? This is a brush. Brush. What is the spelling for brush? BR. BRUSH. 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 This is pink. Pink. So it matches with NK. What is spelling for pink? PINK. 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 This is a nest. Nest. ST. NEST. 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 Clap. Brush. CLAP. Clap. BRUSH. Brush. PINK. Pink. NEST. Nest. Okay. The next activity is doing singular and plural. Okay. This is a singular, one part. To make it as a plural, what you have to do? You have to add yes. 3 parts. One part. To make into plural, you have to add yes. POTS. Parts. POTS. Parts. 1 cap. 4 caps. 1 bag. 2 bags. 1 pen. 5 pens. You have to just add yes at the end of the words, okay? Okay. This is 1 and when you add, yes, it becomes into many. Okay. Circle the correct word for the picture. What is this? This is a chair, right? This is not a sofa. So don't circle this. This is the chair. So this is the correct answer. Circle the chair. What is this? This is a tap. Circle the tap. This is a clock. Circle the, sorry, this is, what is this? This is a lamp. 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 This is a lamp. Okay. Now students, I will read the sentence. Okay. I will read and you have to round the words, what the words that I am saying. Listen to the teacher, read the story and circle the words the teacher repeats. Reno had walked for a long time. Long. Circle the word long on the sentence. Circle. Where is the word long? This is long. L-O-N-G. Circle this sentence. Circle this word long. The next sentence. She saw an old man resting under the tree. She saw an old man resting under the tree. Circle the word saw. Where is the word saw here? Here. Circle the word saw. And the next word is old. 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 Okay? Okay. Move to the third sentence. She asked the man to give some water. She asked the man to give some water. Water. Okay. Circle the word give. 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 This is give. Circle. Reno was happy to get the water from him. Reno was happy to get the water from him. Circle the word get. Where is the word get here? Circle it. Okay. Students, for today's homework, we will complete the book activity and send to me. I will give you some dictation words. You will learn those words. Okay. Thank you, students. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.